Okay. Just want to give you an update on the storage container shelter here. I've got a little over 9 feet at the high side, and I think we're at 7 feet here, so we'll have a foot or so protruding up out of the ground, and it should be completely submerged under the earth at that end. It's rough graded right now. I'm just reading grade with the laser level here to make sure. What I want to have is that end slightly higher than this end. I've gotten, you can see, I don't know if you remember in one of the previous videos when we just discovered we had red dirt underneath here. I'm about 7 feet deep into the red dirt, 6.5 feet or so. Anyhow, I want to have the container completely submerged in the earth on that side, and this side will be sticking up by about 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet max. But I do want to have it coming downhill a little bit. That end I want to be higher, so as any water would drain down the sides, it would hit kind of the base here and flow out this way. Got a ton of dirt out here that was displaced from this hole, so I'm needing to grade it. We have downhill all the way for hundreds of feet here down into a gully down here, so that'll be good for drainage. Just want to give you an update. Hopefully, if the weather's decent, this afternoon we might be having the container delivered. If it doesn't come today, it will, God willing, be here this week. So I'm just going to read this grade and do some touch-up work here to get it so it's got a slight drop downhill. Doesn't have to be a lot, but just enough that I'm comfortable with the rain and washout from up the hill draining out. I've measured it. We've got a little bit over 8 feet, but it's real close on the sides, wideways, and I've got more than 40 foot here, but he's going to drop it down at the top of the hill, and then my plan is, after he drops it, he might drop it all the way down into the hole, so it's kind of, well, we'll get some shots of that. Then I'm going to pull it back in this way, and it'll settle down into the hole. We'll see how it works. Thank you for watching, and hopefully in the next video we'll see our shipping container in the ground. Please comment or let me know if you have any thing you want to bring to my attention, because I have not done this before. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.